You don't like my makeup? Don't you like my makeup, darling? Don't you like it? Hi guys, my name is Julia. I'm a professional makeup artist and this is my first ever YouTube video. By the way, English is not my native language, that's why I'm sorry if I do any mistakes. Feel free to comment below. So today's video is about quick and easy everyday makeup look that I usually do when I'm in a rush or if I'm lazy, and it's so easy and fast. Like you can do it in 5-10 minutes and look nice and fresh. And while I'm doing my makeup, I would like to tell you about myself, to introduce myself to you, and I hope that you will like that video. And if you like makeup, please subscribe to this channel because here's gonna be a lot of cool content about makeup, video tutorials, reviews, challenges, everything that we like. So let's begin. I already prepped my skin, cleaned it and moisturized it, and now we are going to start with Becca concealer. It's called Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. Yeah, we are doing it before the foundation because I put foundation on top of that. I make it warm on the back of my hand and after that I apply it under the eyes. I will do funny faces because I usually do them. I want to be sincere with you. This is how I look when I put on my makeup. It just brightens up that area so well. Plus, it moisturizes the skin. It has vitamins in it and I just really love it, so that's why I use it on everyday basis. Now we are a little bit fresher. Next thing, we are gonna apply foundation. And this may seem strange for you, but I use double wear Estee Lauder foundation. Somebody can say that it's too thick for everyday, but I usually use just a little bit of it. And I mix it with the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white color because it's a bit dark for me. Together they work perfectly. So I mix them on my hand and put with little, not so little, dots on my face. And after that, I go with a beauty blender and just blend it out. And I put it on the eyelids as a base for my eye makeup. We are going to do eye makeup, but without use of any eyeshadows at all. That's gonna be interesting and fast as well. I promised to tell you about myself, and the thing is that I'm doing makeup since I'm 12. I was 12 really when I went to my first makeup courses, and I'm 31 years old and I love makeup so much. Like it's a part of my life that stays with me every day. And I want to share with you the things that I learned as a makeup artist, working with clients, and as a blogger as well, because I had been doing blogging as well, but not on YouTube. So make sure to blend your foundation everywhere. The double wear is a bit thick, with a beauty blender and with addition of something like a cream or this mixer from NYX or something else, it really looks super nice because it stays the same till the end of the day, and that's why I can't switch to any other foundation because I put it in the morning and it looks just the same in the evening, and that's cool. The next thing that I'm gonna do is to use Conceal Correct Contour Palette from NYX and cover some spots on my skin with this brush, or tip of your finger works as well. And I will just put a little bit on my face where I need it. So that's it, like 2 minutes and you are done with foundation. Another 1 minute we're going to spend on lipstick. It's Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in color Pillow Talk, and I put it on my lips. But I will not leave it like this because I'm going to take this thing, how's it called by the way? And I'm going to take excess of the lipstick to make it look super natural and a bit diffuse the edges, just make them a little bit softer, because this way we are not looking older than we are. And the next step that we are going to do with the same lipstick, we're going to put it on the cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, and as well a little bit to the cheek and on the forehead. And you can put it on the chin, but I have spots there, so I don't want to make them stand out even more, so I drop it. And again, with the beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. Or I can do it even with my hands if I'm in a super rush and then have my beauty blender. And it goes so nicely. You know, it's a bit of Emrata style. She's got that sun-kissed freckle type of makeup and it really looks very nice. And one more thing, with the lipstick, to put it here on the eyes. Monochromatic makeup look, and it looks so stylish and so classy. It's just very nice for the everyday makeup and super fast as well. And so you will look refreshed and not putting a lot of effort in doing your makeup. Another 1 minute goes to highlighting palette, and this is my love. This is Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and you already can see that a lot of it has gone away and I need to restock it. But on that makeup we still have it. I'm taking this big brush and I take highlight shade and I put it on my cheekbones, a little bit here and there, but not so much because, you know, it looks like we're a bit tired of too much highlight already. So that's why I like this palette, because it's not too glowy. It just looks like it glows from inside. And I put it on the bridge of the nose as well. Or I can take the smaller brush and do it more precisely, but when I'm in a rush I don't do that usually. And I put it here and I put it on the inner side of my eye as well. And on the whole eyelid as a makeup for my eyes without any eyeshadows. And I can put it on the brow. We're going to do something with this brow a little bit later. And the next thing that I really love is bronzer, and I put it here on the cheeks. I don't usually use contouring in everyday life because I think bronzer is really enough for that, and it just makes you look very healthy and stylish as well. And here on the forehead and on the nose and a little bit on the cheeks and on the chin as well. I put it a little bit on the neck because neck otherwise will look very white and unloved. So I put a little bit here and I take this little brush for the eyes and put some in the crease. And it really goes well as an eye makeup. And the last step with this palette, I will take this powder and I will put it everywhere where I want to make sure that my foundation is gonna last till the end of the day. So my T-zone, my under eye area as well. Next very important thing for everyday makeup for me is eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this NYX Precision Brow Pencil in shade Blonde. And just fill the gaps in my eyebrows because I didn't want them to be very dark. So I just fill in the gaps everywhere where I need it and put it here in the beginning of the brow because I don't have enough hair here. And then I just brush them into place. And last but not the least, eyelashes. I will use brown mascara and put it on the lashes. I love to use brown mascara for everyday look because I'm blonde, so it just looks so natural. And I usually tend to put mascara on my lower lashes, but sometimes I don't. It actually is not a mistake. It's okay. Do as you like. So this is it. This is my everyday quick and easy makeup look. Like not so much makeup, but you look fresh and nice and glowy. And I hope that you liked it. Please comment below if you have any questions on this look and tell me what are your favorite products that you use in your everyday makeup look. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you next time. Today is so beautiful. By the way, I have 3 cats and I hope to show you all of them. They're so cute.